So the next thing we're going to do is set up our entire environment. Obviously, we need the Stripe API, so we're going to go do that, but also we're going to need Airbyte. So you have two ways and two methods of doing this. You can open up Airbyte Cloud by heading over to cloud.airbyte.com. And if you don't have an account just yet, you can start a 14-day free trial to do this tutorial, or if you already have one, you can just sign into your workspace. The other method you can use is using Airbyte open source, and you can simply head over to the GitHub repo for Airbyte, which we will have the link in the description. So you can head over there, fork the repo, clone it over, and then spin it up locally. Obviously, we have some tutorials on the YouTube page as well to walk you through that if you don't know how to do that right now. In this tutorial, we're going to be using Airbyte Cloud for simplicity's sake, and I've already logged into my Airbyte workspace, as you can see. On the left-hand side in the taskbar, you can see the Builder tab. If I click this, we have a couple already custom connectors. On the top right, we're going to click New Custom Connector, and we're going to say Start from Scratch. And this is where everything from the API becomes important. So for this tutorial, like I said, we're using the Stripe API. If you head over to the Stripe developer tools page on their docs, on the top right, you can sign in or create an account. I've already done that and logged into my developer account. And at the top right, obviously you can see developers, and I have test mode activated. So we're not working with any live data. We're just working with fake data right now. I have some payments. I should have a couple balances, and then as well as a list of customers. So we have some things already in here, but we need the API key. So if I head over to the home page, you can see API keys for developers. So we go ahead and click that, and you have your publishable key with a secret key or these restricted keys. I'm going to go ahead and use my secret key. Obviously, this is going to be hidden on the video, so you can't use that, but I'll also probably be deleting this after this video is published, so good luck. Now that we have everything we need, let's go ahead and set up the global configuration on the connector builder.